Hello, today I'll be recreating this makeup look of the iconic actor Waheeda Rehman. So keep watching. I've prepped my skin off camera, so first to start off, apply foundation and blend it well with a damp beauty blender. Now don't forget your ears and your neck. Apply a lighter shade of concealer to brighten your under eyes. And now set everything with a loose powder. Bronze your cheeks up for that sun-kissed glow and don't forget your forehead and your jawline. Groom and fill in your brows. For the eyeshadow, start in with a light brown shade all over your lid and then go in circular motion with a deeper shade of brown for your crease and the outer corner of your eye. Now wing it with a liquid liner and keep it thick. Use a light brown eyeshadow for your lower lash line. And curl your lashes using a lash curler. Apply mascara. Apply blush to the apples of your cheek. Apply highlighter to the inner corners of your eye. And lastly, to finish this look off, use a blush pink lip. And now for the end results. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.